Welcome to our Dashcam Showdown. Today, we're comparing two impressive models, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the J-Zone's 4K 3-channel dashcam. We'll examine their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is a budget-friendly option at just $189, making it accessible for many drivers. In contrast, the J-Zone's 4K 3-channel dashcam is priced at $599, positioning it in the premium segment. This significant price difference reflects the advanced features and capabilities of the J-Zone's model. In terms of resolution, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo captures video at 2K 144p for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. On the other hand, the J-Zone's dashcam offers a stunning 4K resolution for the front camera, along with 1080p for both the interior and rear cameras. This makes the J-Zone's a superior choice for those seeking the highest quality footage. When it comes to night vision, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo features standard night vision capabilities, which may suffice for most situations. However, the J-Zone's dashcam is equipped with the advanced STR-VIS2 sensor, providing exceptional low-light performance. This makes the J-Zone's a better option for those who often drive at night or in poorly lit conditions. In conclusion, both the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the J-Zone's 4K 3-channel dashcam offer unique features catering to different needs. The VIOFO is a great budget option with solid performance, while the J-Zone's provides top-tier technology for those willing to invest more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.